I'm Lionel Stewart with Strongarm Industries. Mark Hardy's been talking to you about a particular machine that we could put together to fit your needs. What I've done here is we've kind of did a mock-up on a smaller machine than what you would be getting. As you know, this machine here is shorter, doesn't have as much reach out from the center line out to the main rotational unit part of the attachment. And the bigger unit does have a lot more, has almost twice as much more reach in vertical travel. Now, this particular attachment has what's called an upender. In here there's a pneumatic device that moves up and down. This device can be set up so that it's incremental. What I mean by that, you can stop it at any position wherever you want to. This particular actuator and the valving it's got on it is just designed to go from horizontal to vertical only non-stop. But now I can control it just by pushing the opposite button and make it go up and down. But the attachment has that function which I'll show you here. We also, on the attachment, have adjustable handles. As you're using it, you can move the handles up so that at a particular height, you can see the controls and functions better. Now, we're going to hit, this is down in position on the actuator. As I touch that, you see it comes down to a horizontal position. What you could do if you want to tamp the material down in your containers. Or you can stop it anywhere in between when it's incremental. Now, because this machine doesn't reach high enough, the other machine would do the job better. To drive the machine up and down, on the right hand side here you have an up and down button. Pushing the button down drives the machine down. Pushing the button up drives the machine up. You have full 360 degrees rotation around the turret base of the machine, as well as you have 360 degrees of rotation around this particular section as well. You can also, too, once you get up on top of your product, if you don't want to use the up and down button, you can just use the machine to come down on it, hook onto it, pull back on it to pull it off. Go back, go up, grab it, or just use the up in, down in motion to hook onto it just by downing it to where you want and then pulling back on it. And doing that function over and over. That concludes the operation setup.